Welcome to the SABC News COVID-19 Global Wrap. I am Busisiwa Khadebe. This week, I bring you highlights of news which dominated headlines with regards to the coronavirus pandemic. But before we delve into it, let us have a look at some global stats. The world has over 519.8 million cases, with over 474.5 million recoveries and over 6.2 million deaths. South Africa has 3,871,085 cases, with 3,696,731 recoveries and 100,630 deaths. Staying in South Africa, Cabinet has raised concern over the recent increase in COVID-19 cases in the country. This after the National Institute for Communicable Diseases on Wednesday reported over 10,000 new COVID-19 cases. This is the first time since January that the institute reported more than 10,000 new infections. Meanwhile, health authorities have warned that South Africa may be entering a fifth wave of infections driven by the BA4 and BA5 Omicron subvariants. On to the rest of Africa. The continent has now recorded over 12 million COVID-19 cases, with more than 11.1 million recoveries, and the death toll stands at 254,192. Subvariants of the Omicron variant of COVID-19 and relaxation of public health measures are driving a current surge in infections in southern Africa, a senior official from the World Health Organization said on Thursday. Dr. Abdul Salam Gay, Director of Emergency Preparedness and Response at the WHO Regional Office for Africa, adds that this uptick in cases is an early warning sign which they are closely monitoring. And in international news, President Joe Biden on Thursday commemorated the death of 1 million people in the United States from COVID-19, marking what he called a tragic milestone and urging Americans to remain vigilant amid the ongoing pandemic. The U.S. has now recorded more than 1 million COVID-19 deaths, according to a Reuters tally, crossing a once unthinkable milestone about 2 years after the first case upended everyday life and quickly transformed it. In Asia, North Korea officially confirmed its first COVID-19 outbreak on Thursday and ordered a national lockdown, with state media reporting a subvariant of the highly transmissible Omicron virus had been detected in the city of Pyongyang. And in Europe, the World Health Organization on Thursday said COVID-19 deaths have exceeded the 2 million mark for countries in the WHO European region. Meanwhile, face masks will not have to be worn in airports and on flights in Europe from May 16, the European Union Aviation Safety Agency and European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control said.